What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable forecast for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we formed some kind of channel and it is a bearish channel. And usually this channel breaks to the downside. And I also told you that we have point of control, this lowest border, this support line, and if we would bounce back to the upside, we have to take a look on this range and on this range. And my main assumption was that we have to have a rollover right here and then broke it with the fourth touch of this lowest support and land at the range of 0.65, 0.618. But also my assumption, the very first assumption was that we have to break this range, and then if we would break the 0.5 level of $1.2, we can definitely land at the range of golden pocket at 0.618, 0.65. And as you can see, Polygon did exactly what I predicted. It landed right here at 0.65 level and then bounced back. And we have several support lines. We have this line from the mid of June. We have several touches of it. And basically the range of 0.65, 0.618 from this bottom to this top. And also the psychological number of $1 price point. And it worked perfectly well, and that is why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So I will share my thoughts about upcoming movements in just several minutes, and let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. And right now we are sitting at the total market cap of $1.95 trillion. And the market is up for about 5.86% during last day. And all major cryptocurrencies are in green, as you can see, and we have just a weekly decrease in price for the majority of them. But we just started this rollover, and as you can see, we have this V shape on the bounce of certain level, and that is why, in my opinion, it might be the first initial movement to the upside, and potentially in a matter of several weeks or even a couple of months we will hit all-time highs for the majority of these coins. So, and let's continue with the Polygon numbers. Its total market cap for now is $8.05 billion. It's up for about 12.37%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $985.35 million, and it's down for about 15.9%. So as you can see, we have lower momentum, we have lower volume that it was previously, and this means we might have some kind of consolidation or even a rollover again to the downside. But let's continue with the fundamental news. And let me show you first of all this article. We are on fx3.com, and this article was published on September 21st, and it's titled "Matic to make a comeback as Polygon network adoption expands." And let me quote you these bullets. Polygon network recently announced the launch of its Bridge widget that offers a simple gateway to the ecosystem through dApps. The network's native token Matic can now be traded across all top-tier cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, and Bitfinex. DeFi 11, a fantasy crypto gaming ecosystem powered by the Polygon network, is making strides in the NFT and DeFi gaming trends. And I have to say, it's not the entire news that might affect the Matic price, because just yesterday we had the speech of Jerome Powell, and related to cryptocurrency, he said the crypto is a currency-like products and not a security. And it is definitely a good sign, because if it would be a security, it should have more regulations from the SEC. And for now we don't need these regulations from SEC because it is not a security. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? As I already mentioned in my previous video, we have to have a simple zigzag. This is the common retracement from the very bottom to the very top, and I have to say that we finished all 5 waves. Right here we had from the end of July till the beginning of September, we finished all 5 waves, and I have to say that I nailed, I guess, all of these movements. And also I've told you that we have to have a rollover, and this rollover happens right here. And I make a breakdown of this wave, and basically you can watch all of my previous video, and I have to say that you will learn a lot from these videos. Because each and every video, it is not the theoretical only part, but it is a theory with the practice on a real asset. And as you can see, we have the bottom of the C wave right here at this level. And for those of you who don't know, we have to have 5 waves inside the C wave, strictly 5 waves. And to this purpose, let's switch to 1 hour time frame, and we have to make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory to be sure that this is the real bottom of the C wave. And let me show you that we might have something like this. This might be the first wave, this is the second, this movement is the third one, fourth retracement, and fifth one right here. And we can also make a breakdown of this internal third wave. Potentially we might have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And let's downgrade the scale a little bit. And bam, we have this Elliott wave breakdown, and this means from this point we have more than 80% chances that this is the real bottom for the retracement from the movement. Let me show it to you, from this low of about 63 cents to this high of $1.8. And from this point we might have a trend reversal. So let me clean the chart a little bit. So we have, this is our lowest point, and for those of you who want to enter the position for the long term with the Polygon, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle. And for now we don't have it, I guess. Yes, we have, we just forming this one red candle for now. And each and every pullback will be your accumulation point. But for those of you who want to enter the trade, the swing trade, not the investment position, you have to be cautious, because this will be the lowest point. And if you start to enter your position right here, as you can see, we don't have, from this bottom, we don't have 5 wave structure on it. And that's why on the retracement, you can also accumulate your position, but instead of accumulating for the deeper levels, your stop loss will be this point at around $1.016 mark. And if we will break this level, basically if we will break the level of $1, you can leave this trade in order to have more attractive average price in the future. So, and what are the targets? Let me show you a slightly bigger scale. And definitely it might be the previous tops. As you can see, it was the swing top of around $1.5. And from our current price, we might have about 24% to this level. And this level of 1.78, around $1.8, will be about 50% of potential profits. So, and when you ladder your buys down, take a look on this percentage. You will have much more attractive average price, and you will have much more potential profits with this movement to the downside. That is why in this movement to the downside, when we will have it, and I'm not sure that we might have it from this very point, because we might go slightly higher, and from this point we might have a rollover. But nevertheless, your stop loss for the swing trade will be the level of around $1. And this price action to the downside will allow you to accumulate the best possible price. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it. For now, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!